cooked the Wellington?
I just have.
Fuck off!
Okay.
What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be making beef Wellington from Gordon Ramsay's cooking show. First of all, we're gonna get some mushrooms, some walnuts, and then some mushrooms, and then we're gonna put it in a Roboku and just let it go. Bzz, 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 bzz. And then we're gonna cook the mushrooms and the walnuts in the saute pan and let the water come out and evaporate.
It's fucking cold. Fucking donkey!
Well, yeah. So after that,
Hey, a big fucking Frankenstein. Move!
So if Gordon wants something in 5 minutes, I'ma give it to him in 5 minutes. Look at your left, look at your right. I don't care if my stove's on fire. I'ma give it to him in 5 minutes. It's plain and simple, beef Wellington, Dijon mustard, cured meat, and a fiddle dough, and wrap that shit up. Score that and put it in the oven at 350 degrees. Let's not get too excited. And then let's put some mushrooms in a pan. You know what the one mushroom said to the other mushroom? Move over, because there is a mushroom in here. Get it? Not mushroom in here? Alright, sorry. But look at that beef Wellington, nice and crispy, and that's how you make a beef Wellington.
Overcooked on the bottom, crispy as fuck, and it looks like Gandhi's flip-flop.
Fuck Gordon! Fuck Hell's Kitchen! I'ma make my own beef Wellington next time.